Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best adhesive for concrete in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Gorilla Heavy Duty Construction Adhesive. When you want to bind your outdoors or indoors, the best adhesive should do the job well. That is why we settled on Gorilla Construction Adhesive for all your binding needs. This is a popular brand in the construction industry due to the constant supply of durable adhesive products. First off, this adhesive is a tough and versatile all-weather construction adhesive for a heavy-duty bond. Due to the heavy-duty construction, it's durable and waterproof, hence it's an easy solution for indoor and outdoor projects. Unlike some low-quality glues that take long to bond, it binds pretty fast. Indeed, your project will be ready within 30 seconds of application. Also, the bond is firm, strong, and durable. Consequently, you can use it in a wide range of applications such as landscaping, plastics, masonry, foam board, mirrors, drywall, and more. After 2 days of application, you can sand and paint with the glue remaining intact. Another thing to add is that it has a low odor, and this is good news to those who loathe strong smell. In addition, it's 100% made of adhesive material with no water or a solvent solution. Number 2. Our second best pick is Loctite Polyurethane Construction Adhesive. Firstly, the brand doesn't need an introduction, and most people are familiar with its quality of work. When it comes to reliability, we consider it as the best adhesive for concrete blocks. This adhesive offers enhanced adhesion to nearly all construction materials. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects, plus is nearly 3 times stronger than ordinary construction adhesives. Loctite PL Premium is VOC compliant and doesn't contain any chlorinated solvents or water and is highly water resistant. It heals even in chilly temperatures and once applied. After curing, you can paint the area and maintain the uniformity of paint across the construction. You can use Loctite PL Premium for subfloors installations. This adhesive meets all regulatory requirements and exceeds APA AFG 01 specification. In addition, it doesn't have a strong offending odor and is suitable for interior use. It's good in permanent bonds and is stronger than many other options out there. It is versatile and suitable for wood, brick, concrete, metal, marble, and granite construction. It is easy to use and can be applied directly to wet or frozen lumber and dry construction. You only require a cutting tip and then apply to surfaces you intend to bond with, allowing it 15 to 20 minutes before pressing the 2 surfaces together. Notably, it takes 24 hours to cure fully. The gel is polyurethane-based, fast-curing, versatile construction adhesive of high quality and strength. Number 3. Our third best pick is E6000 High Viscosity Adhesive. If you're a DIY hobbyist, you'll need an adhesive product for simple repairs at home. Better so, if you have a small workshop and need to fix things easily and fast. Discover this high viscosity adhesive for all your bonding needs. This product is tougher, and 2 times stronger is a tough adhesive, twice stronger and 60 times more flexible as compared to polyurethane once cured. As the best adhesive for concrete, it's non-flammable and resistant to temperature, whether extreme hot or cold. This adhesive is chemical resistant plus is safe even when exposed to dilute acids plus dilute caustics. It can be inundated in fresh plus salt water when cured due to its waterproof nature. This high viscosity maintains its flexible bond in cold temperatures, making it suitable for bonding objects exposed to vibration. Once the bond is cured, you can paint the area to match with other areas for uniformity. It works better than silicone or rubber cement owing to its industrial strength and good quality in glass. Its versatility will address all your bonding needs and be applied to oil and water-based painted areas and get good results. To conclude, the high viscosity in this adhesive makes it consistent and spreads well when applied to the area being worked on. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Gorilla Heavy Duty Ultimate Construction Adhesive. This is undoubtedly one of the best brands when it comes to the production of high-quality and reliable adhesive materials. No wonder this construction adhesive makes it to our selection list as one of the best concrete block adhesive. This product is a tough adhesive formula that's versatile and 100% waterproof. It's suitable even in underwater surfaces, which most adhesives cannot work well with. Also, it's easy to dispense due to its packaging. What we like most is the fact that it holds firmly after application, which makes it an instant grab adhesive. When you apply this gel, you don't have to leave the area looking disorganized, as you can paint with your preferred shade of color to make it uniform with other areas. This is a versatile adhesive you can use to bond a wide variety of surfaces such as decks, granite, bath surrounds, brick metal, wood, foam board, and more. Unlike many construction adhesives, this adhesive is 100% waterproof, flexible, and doesn't contain water or solvents. Consequently, the bond will last longer and is not prone to shrinkage. It's a powerful adhesive that holds instantly, and the bond comes out stronger and firmer. For this very reason, it's best for indoor and outdoor projects. Furthermore, it's easy to clean and requires little maintenance. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is PC Products 72561 LPC Concrete Adhesive. Most people shy away from using a concrete adhesive due to the strong smell. It's understood since everybody adores fresh air. Even so, getting high-quality glue that's 100% odor-free is not easy. However, there should be some level of comfort in a way that the smell doesn't affect you. We considered this concrete adhesive due to the mildest smell that's hardly noticeable. Therefore, you can work for long hours without feeling discomfort from the odor. Secondly, the adhesive is multi-use in anchoring and repairing concrete surfaces. It can support bolts, rods, smooth, and rebar dowels on concrete. For the price, this adhesive will give you value since it's strong, reliable. Also, to add, it can be used in vertical applications and is moisture resistant, making it suitable even in damp environments. The versatility makes it an all-weather product convenient for both indoor and outdoor applications. Indeed, it works on a temperature range of 35 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. When it comes to bonding, it provides a work time of 20 minutes and takes 4 hours curing time at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Lastly, it is durable and doesn't come off during cleaning. Besides, it withstands expansion and contraction of concrete without shrinkage. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.